Homework 14, question 1. So we've got this diagram here, as you can see, which is what's given to you in figure 1. We've got two forces, which are P and Q. They act on a particle at point O. So force P has a magnitude of 6 newtons, force Q has a magnitude of 7 newtons. And the angle between the action of P and the line action of Q is 120 degrees, as we can see. Now we got this resultant of P and Q is R, so we want to find, part 1, we want to find out the magnitude of R. Now there's a couple ways of doing this question. Some of you may have done the horizontal and vertical component and then using tan later on in the question. The way I'm going to do it is I'm going to redraw another diagrams of this and use the cosine and sine rule eventually. So bear with me, I'll just draw this out. So this is still P, still Q, and then of course we got this resultant force then, which is R. This of course is still 6 newtons, this is still 7 newtons, so that's fine. Of course we want to find out what R is. Now as we see from this diagram, the original, that's 120 degrees. So therefore this angle here that we've constructed is going to be 60 degrees. And of course we got an angle here, we got two sides, so we want to find out what R is. Now the only way we can do R is by using the cosine rule. So if we write that here, if we want R squared for example, that will be P squared plus Q squared. That's how you write out. So we got R squared, P squared plus Q squared minus 2PQ, and then cosine of R, because it's always the angle opposite the letter. Of course we fill this all in, we've got R squared 6 squared plus 7 squared minus 2 times 7, put brackets, cosine 60. Also want to put that all into a calculator. We should have that. And then we should get R squared is 43, so R must be root 43. You could say there 6.56 to 3 significant figures, that'll be fine as well. Okay, so part 2 of question 1. They're asking us to find the angle between the line action of P and the line action of R, which is this angle here. So as we can see, you know, we've got some angles and we've got sides that we could use potentially. So the best thing to do here is to use the sine rule. So what we're going to have is sine theta over 7 equals sine 60. Well, you could put root 43 for that, that's not a problem at all. And of course, if we rearrange this then, sine theta is 7 sine 60 over 6.56. And you should get an answer roughly about 0.92, so sine theta equals 0.92, like that. So if we want to find theta, this is going to be the inverse sine of 0.92, and this will give us an answer of 67.6 degrees to 3 significant figures.